Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this chicken noodles with special sauce. This recipe is so delicious and super simple to make. This sauce is Samyang sauce, which is a hot chicken flavor sauce. I have left a link in the description below. If you want to purchase it, then please have a look. Now let's begin with this recipe. So first keep water for boiling. Once it starts to boil, then add 250 grams egg noodles and add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoon oil and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and let the noodles cook about 90%. Then once ready, strain the noodles and add about 1 tablespoon oil and give it a gentle toss. If you do this, then the noodles won't stick together. Then take about 350 grams of chicken breast cut in long strips. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon dark soya sauce and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix everything all together nicely and marinate this for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add 1 tablespoon oil and simply fry the marinated chicken. Make sure the flame is on medium and fry the chicken until nice and brown. Then once ready, something like this, then simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in a hot pan add half tablespoon oil, add 3 whole eggs, then fry the egg until hard scrambled egg. Add some salt to taste and keep mixing it until the egg is nice and hard. Something like this. Then when ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then add 2 tablespoon oil in a hot wok. Add 5 chopped garlic. Then fry this for about 1 minute. Then add 1 large carrot cut in juliennes and fry the carrots until nice and soft. Make sure the flame is on medium and then add 2 cups shredded cabbage. Fry this until soft. Then when ready, add 2 bell peppers, add 1 sliced onion and fry this for about good 3 to 4 minutes. Then when ready, add the cooked chicken and the egg and add 1/4 cup of spring onion white and give this a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon chicken stock powder and give this a good mix for about a minute. Then add the cooked noodles Add 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon sweet teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then add this special chicken flavor sauce, which is SAMYANG hot chicken flavor sauce. The link is in the description if you want to purchase it. Add about 1 tablespoon of SAMYANG hot chicken flavor sauce and give this a really nice mix. This special sauce is spicy but loaded with lots of flavors, and you will absolutely love this sauce. Then once ready, add half cup of spring onion green and give this a good mix. There you go guys, the recipe is ready now. This recipe is super simple and really easy to make, and you will absolutely love this recipe. Then simply serve it nice and hot and enjoy it with any of your favorite sauce. I hope you like this recipe guys, and if you did like it then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, so please do have a look. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.